Dumela moithuti wa Setswana. We are just now going to deal with what to say when you want to say it is possible and it is not possible in Setswana. In saying it is possible, you would say go a kgonega, go a kgonega. It is not possible is ga go kgonege, ga go kgonege. Examples: if you want to say it is possible to learn, you would say go a kgonega go ithuta. It is not possible to learn, ga go kgonege go ithuta. Go a kgonega go ithuta, ga go kgonege go ithuta. It is possible if you rest. Go a kgonega fa o ikhutsa. It is not possible if you rest. Ga go kgonege fa o ikhutsa. Question: is it possible to learn? A go a kgonega go ithuta. Is it not possible to learn? A ga go kgonege go ithuta. Is it possible if you rest? A go a kgonega fa o ikhutsa. Is it not possible if you rest? A ga go kgonege fa o ikhutsa. I hope it makes sense thus far.